This DOGECOIN price prediction video depends on specialized examination alone. Underneath, you will see the key measurements that we have thought about after concocting our Doge value investigation and expectation. DOGECOIN is one of the digital currencies in the crypto world that keeps on making clamor. Subsequently, financial backers all over the planet are presently intently observing the advancement of the disputable digital currency. As far as exchanging volume, Doge has a 24-hour exchanging volume that is around $397,484,249 as of now. Moreover, the Doge cryptographic money is likewise renowned in the Reddit people group. Hence, numerous members of Reddit will generally join the DOGECOIN frenzy of late. Also, the monstrous investment of Reddit clients has affected the cost of crypto recently, along with transitional tweets from Elon Musk. Now that we know about DOGECOIN, how about Doge proceed with its upswing position this year, thinking about that it gave financial backers a profit from speculation is more than 170% in 2021. Is it safe to say that you are as of now intrigued? In this way, go along with me and let us head DOGECOIN value examination and cost expectation 2022. What is DOGECOIN, Doge? DOGECOIN, Doge, is connected with the famous Doge internet image and highlights a Shiba Inu on its logo. Besides, the open source advanced money was made by Billy Marcus from Portland, Oregon, and Jackson Palmer from Sydney, Australia. In any case, it was forked from Litecoin, LTC, in December 2013. DOGECOIN's makers imagined it as a tomfoolery, happy computerized cash that will have more prominent allure past the center Bitcoin crowd. Nonetheless, it is connected with a canine image. Considerably more, Tesla CEO Elon Musk posted many tweets via web-based entertainment that DOGECOIN is his #1 coin. Since we have a thought regarding Doge, do you figure Doge will be productive crypto in 2022? Go along with me and let us see the diagrams in this Doge value examination and Doge cost expectation. DOGECOIN, Doge, current market status. As of the hour of compassing this DOGECOIN cost investigation, Doge exchanges at $0.082 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $397,484,249. The cost of Doge has expanded by 1.82% as of now. Moreover, Doge has an ongoing circling supply of 132.67 B Doge. At present, the top digital currency trades for Doge are Binance, OKEx, Cointiger, Upbit, ZBG, Gate.io, Kraken, Bitfinex, and KuCoin. Presently, how about we continue to the following piece of this Doge specialized investigation for 2022. DOGECOIN, Doge, Price Analysis 2022. As of now, DOGECOIN holds 10th put on CoinMarketCap. Be that as it may, will the most recent overhauls, advancement, and changes in the Doge blockchain assist the digital currency with valuing to reach higher? How about we continue to the outlines in this Doge cost expectation specialized examination pointer that is utilized to decide pattern headings by estimating the unpredictability above or beneath the candles. From the Keltner channel signals for Doge USDT, we can conclude that the cost of DOGECOIN could get bullish since it had a new recuperation from its past downfall. In any case, in the long haul, the cost could get bullish since top digital forms of money like Bitcoin and Ethereum are now getting negative from the new bullish run. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, measures the general energy and the size of late cost changes to reason oversold or overbought resources. The RSI worth of the one-day diagram is 40.35. This shows that Doge is showing an impartial pattern since its RSI lies somewhere in the range of 30 and 50. This worth can set off a bullish or negative run on the off chance that financial backers reposition themselves either towards the purchasers or dealers. From the diagram over, the 100 MA is over the 50 MA, which implies that drawn-out financial backers would acquire. Be that as it may, since the hole between the two moving midpoints is wide, and both moving midpoints are over the as of late framed candles, the cost of the Doge could keep up with its new gains for certain days. DOGECOIN, Doge, Price Prediction 2022. The diagram underneath shows that DOGECOIN has performed perfect throughout the course of recent days. Also, the Doge cost is more than 4.8% over the most recent 7 days. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, Doge could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its $0.100 RESISTANCE1 level, and move higher to $0.310 at the RESISTANCE6 level, the 2022 bullish sign. On the other hand, on the off chance that the financial backers betray the crypto, the bears could dominate and depose Doge from its upswing position. In more straightforward terms, the cost of Doge could fall to nearly $0.069, a negative sign before any inversion could be anticipated. In the meantime, our drawn-out Doge cost expectation 2022 is bullish. It has a high chance of outperforming its ongoing all-time high, at about $0.7376 as per CoinMarketCap this year. Nonetheless, that will possibly occur assuming it breaks numerous past mental protections. In the event that this bullish pattern proceeds, Doge will reach $0.7023 toward the finish of 2022. Also, the primary portion of 2022 will show quick development, up to 27 cents before the ascent will combine. With impending associations and advancements coming to $1 is very hopeful in the price tag of view, however, without a doubt practical for the not so distant future. DOGECOIN, Doge, Price Prediction 2023. On the off chance that Doge holds a relative strength index, RSI, over 60 toward the finish of 2022, purchasers will then, at that point, have adequate time and soundness to fashion the following assault mission on the fundamental level at $1.5 in 2023, making it not fall, however play in every case DOGECOIN, Doge, Price Prediction 2024. According to the most recent overhauls, advancements, Doge cost expectation, and new undertaking estimates of the stage, Doge financial backers could expect numerous organizations and reconciliations around 2024. Also, this could help the cost of Doge in the crypto market, and it will be all that venture, as the cost can spike and stretch around $3. DOGECOIN, Doge, Price Prediction 2025. In the following 4 years, Doge costs could race up to $5. In any case, arriving at this level couldn't be so hard for Doge, as extra medium, present moment, and long-haul value targets could be found to buy or sell orders. This demonstrates that Doge has a high chance of coming to another AF soon in the following 4 years according to